everyone, it's me, Crystal. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium Box for June 2020. The lovely art on this month's box is by Ansley Pearson, and her Instagram is awinavi. And we have another featured drawing by Nikolai Shaver inside. The first piece of art supplies is a 9-piece graphite set by Criticolor, and this is normally $15.95 retail price. This month is all about graphite. This box 10 set contains 3 wood-cased graphite pencils, HB, 2B, and 4B, 2 graphite sticks, 4B and 6B, 1 jumbo graphite stick, 2B, and a woodless graphite pencil with cap, 4B. It's the perfect graphite starter set. It also includes a chamois, and it has a little inspector certificate inside with a number and everything. I liked the variety of items that came in this Criticolor graphite set. I enjoy the fact that it's not just pencils, and that there were some graphite sticks in there as well. I also enjoy the fact that one of the pencils is a woodless one. I think there's a variety of things you can do with this, and having the graphite sticks is going to be super helpful for larger pieces. The following item is an Elven B2 lead holder, and the retail price for this is normally $6.95. This lead holder has a transparent plastic barrel and features a pocket clip and spring-loaded lead release. The 4-way vice grip jaw holds a 2mm lead securely. I usually don't get very excited about mechanical pencils, but I really like this one. I like how heavy it is, and I also like how it opens up to let the lead out. It reminds me of a xenomorph, like from the Alien movies. Another nice thing about this pencil is you can allow a lot of the lead out at the same time, and because it is thick, you can have that extra section to be able to shade a lot easier. It's great, especially for a mechanical pencil. The third item we have is a brush, specifically a KLoganArt Gold Dagger 1/8 inch brush. The retail price for this is normally $7.99. Use this dagger brush to create different width lines, scrolls, waves, and foliage, and to paint along edges. The premium quality golden tack-on bristles are staggered in length, cascading down to a tapered point. I've never had a brush exactly this shape, so I think this will be fun to use and play around with, for sure. The fifth item we have is a Lyra Graphite Crayon in 2B. The retail price for this is normally $1.70. We love these for their ability to make large graphite strokes. They can also be used for some neat effects with water if you shave a bit of graphite from the tip. I do really like the size of this, and I do think it'll be great for filling up large spaces. The following item, which is something else I'm very excited about, because I've literally never used anything like this before, are some darabond liquid pencils in blue and yellow. The retail price for these is normally $4.95 each. Now, time for something really interesting. These are graphite and tint suspended in a binding agent. It behaves similar to watercolor, but dries to a matte graphite finish. It's rewettable, meaning you can rework parts of your pieces, and once dried, it can be erased a bit. I'm really looking forward to playing around with this especially, and seeing how it works, and then seeing how all the other graphite items work with it. They also provided a paper for us to use, and it is by Han Mule. It is a 3x4 inch bamboo pad, and the retail price for this is normally $4, and this is a staff favorite. After testing hundreds of papers with this box's unique materials, this was our favorite. It's absorbent, but retains the look of graphite when dry. I used a single piece of this for all of the swatches. It's really thick and sturdy feeling, and it has a little bit of tooth, so it holds on to all of the graphite really well. The final item we have is an eraser. It is a Winsor & Newton medium putty eraser, and the retail price for this is normally $1.99. A high quality eraser that lets you get into the tight spots. This erased through most of the graphite pretty well. It did not erase well over the liquid pencil though. Overall, especially considering this is a graphite box, I'm pretty excited to see how all of these items work together and to play around with them. And now this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you've used any of the items in this month's box, please let me know all about it in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do SketchBox unboxings and projects once a month. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!